Is anyone else out there tired of being cold all the time? Look at this, first snow of the season. I'm not looking forward to this. Oh, I need my sunglasses. Walk out, drop off some stuff, see how things are going. Whew. Ah, there's my baby. Let's check. Still charging. Boxes. I guess this is the best part of the cold, just collecting stuff to do to the bike later this season. Got some stuff building up. Put these guys away. It's even a little too chilly out here to work. All right. Guess we'll see you guys in 2026.